You want to unlock the secrets to smarter money decisions? Let's dive into the best financial intelligence books that's going to help you build your wealth. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So here we go. I want to know, are you feeling lost when it comes to managing your money? Many people struggle with understanding how to save, how to invest, and grow their wealth. Okay? If you save and you invest what you save, you automatically grow your wealth. The good news is reading the right books can help you become financially smart and make better choices with your money. Now, one powerful book is called Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Once you read it, you're going to know the difference between assets and liabilities, and it helps you understand the difference between, working for money and money working for you, basically. Another amazing book is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This one's going to teach you how to make smart investments and avoid big mistakes, okay? So check that one out. Now, if you're looking for a guide to help you build financial independence, Financial Freedom by Grant Sabatier is a great pick. I'll put them in the description so you know the spelling. And this book's going to show you how to save and invest so that you could retire early and live on your own terms, depending on how old you are, depending on when you start, how many years you invested for, because compound interest is very, very powerful. And if there's one thing I would teach kids in elementary schools is the power of compound interest. Because even if you don't have a good job, but you know how to put your money in the right place to let it grow over time in the markets with mutual funds, oh my God, everybody's going to live a good life. If you found this useful, give me a like. I love you.